Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a Tecno profile notification setting, how to turn off or on notification in Tecno Pova Android phone. So if you have a Android phone or Tecno Pova especially, you can turn on or off all the notification on your phone. All you have to do, just go to the settings and try to search a notification and status bar here. So you can manage your notification. Tap on manage notification option. Here we go. You can turn off one by one application that you want to configure. For example, I want to turn off Facebook or turn on Facebook. Just tap on this slides. And also there's another way. You can search notification manager, and same the output. This is your notification, also the app, all the app lists on your phone. And also if you go to the more option here, you can turn off or turn on show banner notification on full screen here, and also reduce notification feedback on full screen. And also if you turn this on, wake screen when a notification is received, and so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the next button below. See you in the next video.